Hey guys, it's Josh from Tuff. We're here at Level Up Audio in Perth, and we're going to take a look at our next giveaway car, the mighty VR SS. We've got the owner, Fabian, who's the owner of Level Up Audio as well. He's going to give us a run through of the car. So, take it away, Fabian.
So yeah, we've got the VRSS, built LS1, high-rise manifold, detailed shaved bay, GDS 20-inch wheels, upgraded brakes, fully retrimmed, custom interior. It's all done in black leather, black carpet, black dash. Upgraded audio system using Audison speakers, Audison amplifiers, Audison subs. Custom boot, hard lines, full air ride, front and rear with airlift performance self-leveling management. Custom blue paint job, 400 rear wheel horsepower, so just a true tough street car.
There you have it, guys. This is our next Tuff giveaway. This is dropping in a few weeks, so make sure you keep your eyes peeled on all of our socials.